This is not just a motorhome. This is not just a luxury vehicle. This is a full-scale redefinition of what mobility, power, and high-end living can look like when engineering has no limits and imagination refuses to stay small. Welcome back to Drive Rain, where we don't just look at vehicles, we explore machines that completely reset the standard. And today, we're diving into something that feels like it belongs in the future. The Mercedes-10 10 Luxury Motorhome. At first glance, it doesn't even register as a normal RV. It looks like a hybrid between a military transport vehicle and a billionaire's private penthouse on wheels. Built with the elite engineering DNA of Mercedes-Benz, this machine is designed for people who don't believe in limits, whether it's terrain, distance, or lifestyle. The sheer scale of this motorhome is almost unreal. 10 massive wheels stretch across an extended ultra-long chassis, creating a footprint that dominates anything around it. The stance is tall, wide, and incredibly commanding, giving it a presence that turns heads instantly. Whether it's parked outside a five-star hotel, rolling through a desert, or climbing through mountain terrain. The front design is where luxury meets aggression. A massive grille with a premium industrial finish sits proudly at the center, instantly recognizable and unmistakably bold. The iconic Mercedes styling is still there, but it has been amplified to match the scale of this beast. The LED headlights are razor-sharp, futuristic, and incredibly powerful, designed to cut through darkness in the most remote environments. The front bumper is not decorative. It's built for survival. Reinforced with heavy-duty materials, integrated skid plates, and high-output LED light bars, it ensures that this motorhome can take on serious off-road conditions without hesitation. Recovery points and protective elements add to its expedition-ready identity. The hood is long, wide, and sculpted with purpose. Large ventilation sections improve airflow to the massive engine beneath, while aggressive lines add to the vehicle's dominant character. Every inch of the exterior feels engineered for both performance and presence. As you move along the side, the true insanity of this machine begins to unfold. The 10 configuration is not just about looks, it's about capability. Each axle is carefully engineered to distribute weight evenly, improving stability and traction across all types of terrain. The massive all-terrain tires are designed to grip everything from loose sand to rocky surfaces, ensuring that this motorhome can go where traditional RVs would immediately fail. The suspension system is on another level. Reinforced, adaptive, and built for extreme conditions, it allows this massive structure to move smoothly over rough terrain while maintaining control and balance. Despite its size, this motorhome is engineered to feel stable and manageable on long-distance drives. The body itself is extended into what can only be described as a rolling mansion. Clean lines, premium finishes, and large panoramic windows create a modern, futuristic appearance. The windows are not just for aesthetics, they flood the interior with natural light, making the space feel open and alive. Storage compartments are seamlessly integrated into the body, offering space for gear, tools, and travel essentials. A ladder at the rear leads to a rooftop area that can be transformed into a lounge deck, perfect for relaxing under open skies in remote locations. But everything you've seen outside is just the beginning. Step inside, and the experience completely transforms. The interior of this Mercedes-10 motorhome feels like entering a luxury penthouse apartment. The design philosophy is clear: absolute comfort without compromise. High-end materials cover every surface. Soft leather seating, real wood finishes, Brushed metal accents and ambient lighting create an atmosphere that feels both modern and welcoming. The main living area is expansive. Thanks to the extended body and intelligent layout, the space feels open and incredibly comfortable. A large wraparound sofa creates the perfect place to relax, work, or entertain guests. The seating is designed for long-haul comfort, making it ideal for extended journeys. The lighting system is fully customizable, allowing you to change the mood of the interior depending on the time of day or your preference. Hidden storage compartments ensure that everything stays organized, maintaining a clean and uncluttered environment. Moving into the kitchen, the motorhome reveals its true purpose: full-time living. This is not a compact camper kitchen. This is a fully functional cooking space designed to rival residential setups. A modern induction cooktop, integrated sink, high-end countertops, and space for full-size appliances make it possible to prepare real meals anywhere in the world. Premium cabinetry adds both style and durability, ensuring long-term usability. The Idris bedroom takes luxury to another level. Designed like a high-end hotel suite, it features a full-size bed with premium materials, soft lighting, and excellent sound insulation. No matter where you are, desert, forest, or mountain, this space ensures peaceful rest. The bathroom is equally impressive. A modern shower system, high-end fixtures, and a fully functional toilet setup make off-grid living practical and comfortable. Clean design and efficient ventilation keep the space fresh and usable at all times. Now let's talk about what makes this massive machine move. Underneath all this luxury lies serious power. The Mercedes 10x10 motorhome is expected to feature a high-performance diesel engine capable of producing enormous torque. This is essential for moving such a large structure across challenging terrains and long distances. The power is distributed across all 10 wheels through an advanced drivetrain system. This provides unmatched traction, allowing the motorhome to handle mud, sand, snow, and rocky environments with confidence. Each wheel plays a role in maintaining grip and stability, making this machine incredibly capable. The suspension system works alongside the drivetrain to absorb shocks and maintain balance. Whether you're driving on highways or navigating rough trails, the experience is designed to remain smooth and controlled. Technology plays a huge role in making this vehicle usable in real-world conditions. The cockpit is designed with the driver in mind. A fully digital instrument cluster provides all essential information in real time. Large infotainment displays handle navigation, media, and system controls. The navigation system is specifically optimized for oversized vehicles, ensuring safe route planning. A full 360-degree camera system gives the driver complete visibility around the motorhome, which is critical given its size. Advanced driver assistance systems help reduce fatigue, making long journeys safer and more manageable. Inside the living space, smart control systems allow you to manage everything: lighting, climate, water systems, energy usage, and security. This transforms the motorhome into a fully connected smart home on wheels. What makes this Mercedes 10x10 luxury motorhome truly extraordinary is its ability to combine extremes. It combines the power of a heavy-duty truck, the capability of an off-road expedition vehicle, and the comfort of a luxury home, all in one machine. This is not just about travel. This is about freedom. Freedom to go anywhere. Freedom to live anywhere. Freedom to experience the world without limitations. This is not a motorhome for everyone. This is for those who want the absolute best in power, in luxury, and in presence. So, imagine this. You wake up in the middle of nowhere. No city noise, no restrictions, just open landscapes, endless horizons, and your entire home moving with you. Where would you take it first? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoy discovering extreme machines like this, make sure you subscribe to Drive Rain, turn on notifications, and stay tuned, because the next vehicle might completely blow your mind.